Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox Scribbler Artherapy Paint by Numbers. So, some of you guys would think na why would you want to do paint by numbers? So, I used to paint. It's actually one of my hobbies, but for about 6 years, I stopped painting. I got too busy and then I never had time to do it. So now, like I mentioned before, I have twins and they started to learn painting. So they actually started doing something like this, like painting with patterns, this one. So I wanted to spend time with them and make sure that I'm also teaching them. Kaya lang, for some reason, I think because of I haven't done it for a long time, parang nalimutan ko nang humawak ng brush and to mix colors or whatnot. So, I wanted to do something fun, something that I can spend a little time on by myself. So I saw this while I was walking around the department store. I saw a lot of other kids, probably not actually kids, mga young adults or mga teens. They were looking at these sets. So I said, oh, these are actually really nice kasi I wouldn't want to stare at a blank canvas and trying to think about what am I going to do here. Kasi nga, I don't want to be stressed. I just want to practice my strokes. Like when you're painting, I want to practice my strokes. I wanted to not think much about it or like think much of what to do with a blank canvas. But I just wanted to do something therapeutic, something de-stressing. At the same time, I can show my kids how to do it, and it's actually guided. Like, see there. This is what the pattern comes in. So, supposedly, your painting must look like this. I chose this one. If you can see, mukha siyang madali. It's a painting of a deer. So, mukha siyang madali. But, when you look a little closer, you can see, when you look a little closer, madetalya siya. So, I can practice naman painting or my brush strokes by making yung mga practice plates. Like, when you're painting or when you're drawing, alam ng mga art students yan, you can do your plates. You can make practice plates for your strokes, for color gradients, and whatnot. Like I said, I don't want to go through all of that, and I want to challenge myself somehow to do it painting by numbers. So, this is actually very cheap. It's actually a steal. This one retails for 299.75 pesos. This one is sold in the SM Stationery at the department store. So, it's pretty convenient. Marami siyang patterns. And the good thing is that you can get this online. Nung nasa SM ako, this pattern is not actually available. So, what I did, I got it online. The transaction was super fast. I got it in less than a week. So, I'll tell you more about it. And I'll also include the links in the description section. Okay, so for now, let's take a closer look and let's unbox this. Okay, so this painting right here, can you see it? There we go. This painting is called the Mindful Deer. I am not sure, or I actually don't know who's the artist behind this amazing painting. Comment down below if you know. So let's start unboxing. This one is from Scribbler Artherapy, paint by numbers. The size is 30 by 40 centimeters, and inside the package we can expect one piece framed canvas board with the number guide, of course, 3 pieces of brush, one set assorted paint pigments, so the number of colors would vary on your design, and 2 pieces D-ring frame hangers with screws. So at the back of the box, you'll see the price. It's $299.75 at SM. Okay, there's the instructions on how to use it. And let's start opening it. Wow. It smells nice actually. The paint and the smell of newly opened canvas, yung parang wood glue. Everything else smells good. So we have how many paints here? Let's check. So this is how it looks like as a whole. So if you're thinking painting by number is easy peasy, think again. Actually, it depends on the design. So since, like I said, I used to paint and I just wanted to practice my brush strokes without thinking or looking at a blank canvas, without thinking what to do next, where to start. So this one would be such a challenge. Look at that. Look how tiny those spaces are. I hope I can do justice on this paint. So let's open this one. Cutter. I think I need a cutter. I wasn't prepared for this. Be very careful. Because I'm clumsy, so I always tell myself, be very careful. So I don't want to mess this up. I like the smell of the stretched canvas and the wood glue. For some reason, I really miss this. Though I would always buy canvas that's already made. I'm not the one who would, mag-DIY ng sarili kong canvas and having to stretch the fabric. So this one, it's the pattern if you would need a closer look. And 3 paint brushes and the hook. Let's check the paint brushes. So, okay naman pala kasi they are really fine. Not sure about the size. So, it's really fine. You have a fine tip brush for the smaller details. And the flat brush. Can you see that? It's a flat brush. And this one, I think it's a size smaller than the other one. So, kasi nga maliliit yung details nitong paint by number na to. What I usually do is that before painting, I soak my brushes in water first para medyo mag-soften up na siya. I'm going to do it with these later before I start. And like as seen on the package, there are these ring and screws when you're ready to hang it on your wall. I mean, who wouldn't want to hang this on their walls, right? It's so nice. Okay, for the colors, it's sealed. So, mabilis matuyo yung ganitong klase ng paint. So, you have to, when you purchase something like this, you have to use or do it right away. Otherwise, matutuyo yung paint. Kasi kahit hindi mo siya ginagamit, natutuyo siya. I just hope we have enough. Oo, nag-spill yung isa. See? I think this is acrylic. Not sure. Like this one, tuyo na siya. Let's see. Mukha pa namang maraming black na kailangan. So, let's open this. It's sealed naman. I don't know what happened with this one. Okay. So, for the color, ayan. So, I think I would use this with, I would mix this with water. So, I think they should have included, make sure to close it tightly kasi otherwise matutuyot yung paint. I think what they should have included in this painting set is also the color mixing plate. But anyways, I have to dig up my old stuff and look for mine. Kasi this one, you would need to put some water and masyadong tiny itong container. So, ang technique dito, kapag ganito na madaling matuyo, you just take what you need. Once you put it on your mixing palette, add some water to your desired consistency and desired pigment, and that's the time you start painting. So, how many colors do we have? 6, 12, 18, 19 colors. So, we have 19 colors total. I can't wait to start this DIY project. Kaya lang, as you can see, some of them spilled, some of the colors spilled. So, mas madali na tong matuyo. Kaya, when you buy something like this, make sure na you would have time to do it. Kasi I myself, I'm very much guilty of buying art supplies or some materials for DIY projects, but there would be times na I cannot do it right away. I cannot commit to it right away because of my schedule. And I'm also a mom. So, sometimes nasustall yung project na, let's say, parang I bought it today. I was thinking of like doing it in the next 2 days, but boom, magigising na lang ako 4 months after, nandun pa rin siya sa lalagyan ko. So, let's not do it with this one, Claire. Let's make better choices. So, anyways, going back. So, look mo, ang cute nung color, pastel colors, malamig sa mata. And it's really relaxing. I think the only question for myself, like I said, gusto ko naman talaga ma-practice yung aking brush strokes and yung fine motors and hand-eye coordination ko kasi parang masyado na siyang rusty. It's been 6 years since I last touched a paintbrush. So, because of my kids, I'm rediscovering this hobby. Oh my gosh, can you imagine the details? How tiny yung mga spaces and how much patience I think this would require of me. This is actually really going to be art therapy talaga. So, if you're looking for a hobby, if you just wanted to have some mindful or mindfulness exercises, you know, to take your mind off things, have some quiet time, I would recommend doing paint by numbers. Yung iba, they like to do cross stitch. So, for like may patterns ka na susundin and you won't have to think about the color combination and whatnot. For me, since I'm not very good with cross stitching, I went with paint by numbers. The good thing about this is that This is available online. Out of stock yung gusto kong pattern sa SM, which is the Mindful Deer. But there are so many patterns to choose from, and meron din silang pang kids. You can check them out online. Create your account with SM Accessories kasi napaka-convenient magpa-deliver sa kanila. This is not a paid ad by SM, but I'm actually impressed. Tsaka nakakatuwa when this one came, ang dami niyang bubble wrap. And then, akala ko magre-receive ako ng artwork talaga, na painting talaga, kasi balot na balot siya. Pero, yun naman pala, isang paint by number lang yung order ko na dadating. I think, after I finish this one, I will let you guys know about the whole experience. Was it very easy? Is the quality of the colors and the pigment alright? Does it give justice to the original pattern? I mean, the colors are close, but it would be so, syempre it would still depend on me doing this paint by number. But I mean, the colors, since there is already a pattern, the colors should actually be very close to what was in this pattern. So we'll see about that, kung yung pigment and yung color ba match na match ba dito, and how everything pans out. But again, good job with SM Stationery. It's affordable. It's actually a really good gift idea for giveaways for the Christmas or for the New Year. Marami silang magandang patterns na pagpipilian. They also have it in smaller sizes if you think 30 by 40 is too big for you. So I hope you enjoy my unboxing video. I'll see you again next time, and I'll give you updates on how this project turns out. Hopefully not after 4 months. Alright, so again, we are done with unboxing this Art Therapy by Scribbler, paint by number. The name of this artwork is Mindful Deer. Like I said, I don't know who the artist is. If you have any idea who made this fabulous piece of work, please comment down below. And for more videos, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications. And I would be very happy to see you again next time. And as promised, I am going to post updates about this project. Again, hopefully not 4 months after. I'll make sure to let you guys know how everything goes. I'm going to post a review after this. And that's it for today. Thank you, and you have a good one. Bye-bye.